Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming Tor browser is updated to the latest release on your device. Next, check your internet connection and firewall settings for Tor traffic restrictions. Check the onion address for typos and verify the onion string matches exactly. Try accessing a known working onion site as a comparator to isolate the problem. Test connectivity by visiting a known working onion site like a directory or search tool. If that site loads, the issue likely lies with the target service. Clear Tor browser cache and restart the browser to remove stale DNS entries and cookies. Reboot your device to reset network interfaces and Tor hidden service circuits. Ensure no VPN or proxy conflicts are blocking Tor circuits or causing DNS leaks. Inspect your system, firewall and antivirus rules for Tor-related blocks or deep packet inspection. Temporarily disable antivirus and firewall to see if they block Tor. Re-enable after testing. If disabling helps, use the Tor log to identify errors by opening the browser bundle's log file and scanning messages. Look for timeout, unreachable, or permission denied entries that indicate specific failures. Try a different Tor circuit by clicking the New Tor Circuit for this site button to rotate relays. If that fails, restart Tor to build fresh circuits and attempt reconnection. If the onion service is down, check status using a third-party service or retry later. Maintain patience. As a last resort, contact the service operator through alternative channels for confirmation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.